In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to obey. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as psycholinguistics. Today, I'm going to teach you a bottom-up process and top-down process. Listeners and audience, bottom-up process is a process in psycholinguistics which is used for understanding and comprehension. Similarly, top-down is a process of linguistics, or in linguistics, it is also used for understanding and comprehension. However, both are different from each other. Whenever we are talking about the bottom-up process is a process in psycholinguistics where we are going to understand a topic, a text from the very basics. So we are going from the very basics to understand the topic. And from easiness, we are going to complexity. Listeners and audience, if you are a teacher, for example, you are teaching to the students. So, if you want to start from the bottom-up process, definitely you will go towards the basic. First of all, you will try to focus on the words, then the meanings of the words, related to this, the pronunciation of the words. After that, the structure of the sentence, phrase, clause, simple sentence, etc. And after that, you will go to the entire concept, for example, the theme, the main message, the central idea. On the other hand, whenever we are talking about the top-down process is a process in psycholinguistics for understanding and comprehension, where you are going to start from high level, and then you want to take the understanding meanings from the text, either written text or spoken text, particularly from the written text. In bottom-up process, you are going to start from high level. For example, when you are reading a text, first of all, your focus is on the main message, the central idea, discourse analysis, figures of speech as well. And later on, you come to the basic structures such as words, meaning, etc. So in both processes, you can go from bottom up to the top-down process, and from the top-down process, you can come back to bottom-up process. Listeners and audience, for example, just one example for understanding. You are reading one paragraph. Now, if you want to go from the bottom-up process, first of all, your focus is on the pronunciation of the words, then the meaning of the words, after that, the structures of the word, and later on, the message, the theme of the word. But if you are going to start either by yourself to comprehend and clear your concept out to the students, first of all, you start from the high level. For example, the main message, figures of speech, metaphors, similes, and personification, even critical discourse analysis and discourse analysis, pragmatics, semantics, and even syntax. So you are focusing upon these. After that, you are coming to the basic things. like words, meaning, etc., if you are talking about the bottom up process. So hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.